Here, so the next chapter is patterns, pattern. So here the patterns, today we are going to learn about the pattern. So generally in our nature, so we can observe the patterns, different types of patterns we can observe. So flowers are in different patterns, flowers are different patterns, leaves are in different patterns, trees are in different patterns, and mats. So if you see in our houses, mats, so on the mats some designs were there. So the designs are in pattern, in particular pattern. So in maths also we have some particular patterns we have. So numericals in particular patterns. So many things we can observe in our surroundings, in our nature, in our maths, in our science, in our surroundings we can observe the patterns. Buildings, so buildings and constructions are also in particular pattern. So patterns are very important. So how the patterns, first we should think and see, so what type of patterns there. So in maths and in science, in nature also we can observe by seeing the flowers and all. So we can see the patterns, different types of patterns we can observe. Here in warm up time also, so 4 pictures are given, so 4 flowers are given. So they have also in particular pattern, they have also in particular pattern. First flower, that is in red color is given, 4 leaves are given in that. So they are in equal pattern, means the distance between, the angle between the flowers, so are the angle between, so the leaves means flowers of the leaves, so they are in equal length, means red color, 5 red colors, the distance between the leaves of the flowers are equidistance. So this is in particular pattern. So another one is purple color flower is in different pattern, and after that green color flower, once we observe, this is another pattern. So and after that red color, one more red color flower is given, so they are also, this is also having a as a different pattern. All the flowers, all the 4 flowers have different patterns. So these 4 flowers are having different patterns. In the nature we can observe the pattern, and sometimes in maths also we can observe the pattern, in science also we can observe the pattern, and in our surrounding buildings are also in particular pattern, and trees are also in particular pattern. So we can observe flowers in particular pattern. Okay, so here 4 flowers are in different patterns. The 4 flowers, the red color flower, purple color, green color, and again red color flowers are given. So they are having a different patterns. Okay, now the students in learning time, see in your textbook, see, so patterns are all around us, all the patterns. So we can see patterns all around us. So then we should observe. So find and understanding the pattern gives us great power. So finding means finding and understanding the pattern in the nature. So finding and understanding the pattern. So in the nature, in the surroundings, so when we observe the patterns and we understand the patterns, it gives a great power. It gives a great power. So with the patterns we can learn to predict the future, discover new things, and better understand the world around us. Okay, so when we understand the patterns around us, then it is predict the future, discover new things. So it helps to discover new things and also understand all the world, means world around us. Okay, now and playing with the patterns is a fun. So playing with a pattern is a fun. So numerical, some numericals are given, so 2, 8, 16 like that, a numerical is given. So playing with the numerical, playing with the patterns is a fun. Okay, patterns are found in nature. So patterns are found in nature, so like in flowers, leaves, and birds, animals, and we can observe, means leaves, plants, everywhere we can observe the patterns. So that's why he has given, so patterns are found in nature, in science, in buildings, and in mathematics. Everywhere we can observe the patterns. Where? In nature, so in science, in buildings, in mathematics. So patterns in nature are leaves and rocks. So patterns in nature. So what is the patterns in nature? Leaves, plant leaves, and rocks, some rocks. So these are, so in nature we can find the patterns. And not only this, many things we can find in nature. So leaves, animals, and birds, butterflies, insects, and plants, flowers, everything we can find in nature. So when we observe, then we can find the patterns. Okay, so patterns in buildings are shown in above the ceramic tiles and cement blocks. Some cement blocks and tiles sometimes, so we are using some tiles. So after arranging a tiles, we are getting a pattern. So that is also, so in building construction we are using tiles. So tiles are in particular pattern. So it gives particular pattern. So all this comes under patterns. Okay. So patterns, so we are playing with patterns is a fun. That's why he is saying playing with the pattern is a fun. So when we are keeping a tiles in a particular order, so it will get a pattern. So it is a fun. It's look like a fun. Okay. So like in mathematics also, arranging a numericals in order, so like a pattern, so that is also a fun. So he is saying about the patterns, how the patterns, where the patterns we are observing. So we are generally observing patterns in nature and surroundings. Surroundings means in nature only, and in science, in buildings, and in maths. So everywhere we can observe the patterns. Okay, students. So now the students see, so here 4 tiles are given. So 4 tiles joining together. So 4 tiles are joining together, a particular pattern formed here. So here 4 tiles were given. So different 4 tiles. So we are joining together that 4 tiles. So then color these tiles. So see, so one is a flower. So flower with 4 tiles. So 2 tiles and 2 tiles he joined. So a particular pattern formed there. So color it. Okay. So here also, so 4 tiles joins together. So a pattern formed. A particular pattern is there in the first also, and make it color. Okay. So now see in activity. So complete the geometrical patterns. Here some patterns are given. So that geometrical patterns we should complete. So then first we should observe the patterns. Then after that you should think, so how the pattern will come next. Okay. So here first, this is the vertical, this is the horizontal, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Means first horizontal is there, then vertical, then horizontal, then vertical. Here we should draw vertical. So we should draw vertically here. So like vertical we should draw. So this is vertical. So horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Now again horizontal. So we should draw horizontal here. This is horizontal. This is horizontal. So horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, again vertical. We should take vertical here. Here draw vertically. This is vertical. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Okay. Now this is, so this arrow is upside. So if you turn at 90 degrees, this will come at right side. So then again if you turn at 90 degrees, this will come down. If you turn again 90 degrees, it will come at left side. Again if you turn, first this is the main position. If you turn clockwise direction, then here the arrow will come here. Again if you turn 90 degrees, then this arrow will come down. Again if you turn 90 degrees, then the arrow will come left side. If you again turn this arrow will come upside. This arrow will come upside. This upside. Again if you turn, this arrow will come at right side. So right side the arrow will come. This arrow will come at right side. this will come at right side. If you turn again this one, this arrow will come down. So, how the arrow will come? The arrow will come like this. This is the method. First upside, right side, side down, left side, upside, right side, down. So, in this way the so 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So, we should turn it. So, rotation. So, rotation 90 degrees, you will get this shape, and again at 90 degrees you will get this shape, again at 90 degrees you will get this shape, again 90 degrees you will get this shape, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So, then after that here. So, how to see? How to see? So, see here. Here this shape are little bit different. So, draw in perfect way. So, first this arrow will come. So, then after that this arrow, this will come, and after that this arrow will come. Here you will get arrow. This is the arrow. In this way. So, here also not in this way. First you should draw a arrow like this, now like this. So, how that arrow will come? Arrow will come at down position. First you draw like this. This way. Okay. So, the arrows will come in this way. Okay. Upside, right side, downside. Here upside, right side, downside, left side, upside, right side, downside. Okay. Now, here C, downside. So, if you turn C like this, then it will get in this form. Again if you turn, it is in this form, again if you turn in this form, again if you turn, so again in this form you will get. So, downside. Again if you turn, so this will change in this form. So, turn at 90 degrees, then how it will change? It will change like this. Again if you change, then this will come upside. Okay. Down, so left side, upside, right side, down, left side, upside and right side. So, change into 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, rotate it at 90 degrees, then you will get in this formats, then smiling face. So, this is, if you turn it 90 degrees, then the smiling at, so this face will come at left side, so then upside, then right side, then again if you change the same position you will get. This position you will get. Again if you change, so this will get at left side, the face will get at left side. Again if you change, the face will get upside. Okay. This is down, right, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, in this way. First you check, so and see, so how, if you rotate it, then how it will come. So, first you draw like this, like this, like this and like this. So, this is in this format. If you rotate, then you will get in this format. If you rotate, you will get in this format. Again if you rotate, you will get in this format. Again if you rotate, in this format. Again if you rotate at 90 degrees, you will get in this format. Again if you rotate, you will get in this format. Okay. So, this is the rotation. So, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. When you rotate at 90 degrees, then you will get in this formats. Okay. Okay students. Now, the students, activity 2. In the second activity, so we are going to prepare a pattern. See here how to prepare a pattern. first you take a paper, rectangular sheet of paper. So now after that you fold into two equal halves like this. So then after that again you fold it into two equal halves. So like this, again you fold it again, so into two equal halves. So like this. So then after that you open your sheet of paper, then after that you fold it in zigzag way. So like this, front side, back side, front side, back side, and front side and one back side and front side. So like this, you fold it in a zigzag way. You fold it in zigzag way. So in this way you should fold. In this way you should fold. Okay, in a zigzag way. So then after that, so first what we did, so we took a sheet of paper. Then first what we did, so we fold it into two equal halves. Again one more time we fold it into equal halves. Again we fold it into two equal halves. Then after that open this sheet of paper. Then after that you fold it in zigzag way. One front side, so like this, one front side, back side, front side, back side, front side, back side, front side, like this. In this way you fold it in zigzag way. Okay. Then after that what we should do, so we should draw a picture. So like this we should draw a picture. So in this way we should draw a picture. In your textbook it is given picture. So you draw a girl like this, half of the girl. So like this you draw a picture, so on your zigzag paper. So then after that, so take a scissor and cut it. You cut it. And then you cut along with the image. Cut along with the image. Cut along with the image. Okay. So in this way you should cut along with the image. Along with the image you should cut it. Okay. So now, so like this you should cut it. Now then cut along with the image. Okay. Okay. So now, so after that open your zigzag paper. Okay. Open your zigzag paper. So then you will get the series of the girls. Series of the girl. So like this, in this form you will get. Okay. Series of the girl. So this is the pattern you will get. This is the pattern you will get in this form. Okay. So this is the pattern. So you will get. Okay, students. This is your second activity. Okay. So now the students see here. So here mathematical patterns are given. So in this pattern, what he is asking in example. So what are the next three numbers in the sequence? Here. So whatever the sequence is given, first we should observe the sequence. Then after that we should write the next three terms, next three numbers. Okay. See here, in the first one, the first number is 12, the second is 17, the third is 22. So then what is the difference? First you check the difference between the consecutive numbers. So what is the difference between the consecutive numbers? Here 12 and 17, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the fifth number is 17. If you add plus 5 to this, then you will get 17. Then again in the same, from 17 to 22, again you should count 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Again if you count 5, so it means if you add plus 5 to this 17, then you will get 22. It means what is the sequence? So in the sequence we should add plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, then you will get the next consecutive term. Okay. So what is the next consecutive 3 terms? How you will get next 3 consecutive terms? According to the sequence, we should add 5 to this 22, then 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The next, so what is the next number? 27, you will get 27. And again after the next consecutive term, how you will get next consecutive term? Again you should add 5 to 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. The next number is 32. Again the next consecutive term, so again we should add 5 to this 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. The next one is 37. It means, so in each and every consecutive numbers we should add plus 5, then you will get very next consecutive number, then you will get very next consecutive number. If you add plus 5 to 12, you will get 17. If you add plus 5 to 17, you will get 22. Again if you add plus 5 to this 22, again you will get 27. So if you add plus 5 to this 27, you will get 32. Again if you add plus 5 to this 32, then you will get 37. Every consecutive number, how you will get every consecutive number? So we should add 5. We should add 5, then you will get the next number. Again if you add plus 5, then again you will get next. Then again if you add plus 5, again you will get the next number. So in this way first we should think the pattern. So which pattern? So then what is the pattern? What is the sequence? So actually he has given. So according to that very next terms, very next consecutive numbers we should write. Okay. First we should understand the pattern. Now, so in the second one, so when we observe the second question, so the first number is 50, 47, 44, 41, 38 is given. How you will get this here? So what is the difference? So here 3 is reducing 50, 50, 49, 48, 47. So if you reduce by 3, then you will get 47. Again if you reduce by 3, so then minus 3, then you will get 50 minus 3, 47. 47 minus 3, 47 minus 3, 44. 44 minus 3, 41. 41 minus 3, 38. Then after that again, so 3 we should reduce. 38 minus 3, 38, 37, 36, 35. If you reduce by 3, then you will get 35. Again if you reduce by 3, then you will get the next number, that is 34, 33, 32. If you reduce by 3 again, you will get the next number, 31, 30, 29. So backward counting. So reducing means backward counting. So here reducing, reduce by minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, you will get the next number. Here adding by 5, then you will get the next term. So in this way first we should think the sequence and we should write the next consecutive numbers. Okay. So first whatever the pattern is given, so in that pattern, so what actually, so either we should add or subtract. Then how much we should add or how much we should subtract. That we should think first, then after that we should complete the sequence. Okay students.